Net worth is the difference between the value of your assets and your liabilities. An individual's net worth can tell you many things about them, but it is simply a way to gauge their financial health. Increasing net worth can have many benefits. One of them is that you could retire much earlier. A high net worth leads to financial security, which means you can focus on other important things in life rather than worrying about money. First of all, we need to learn how to calculate net worth. Some people think that your annual income determines your net worth. That is not the case. Net worth is what you own, minus what you owe. The assets you own would primarily be your home, car, and anything with some value, like your account balance, your branded watch, or your diamond jewelry. If your home is worth $500,000, your cars are worth $50,000, and all other assets make up another $20,000. The total would be $570,000. However, this is not your net worth, as the debts are yet to be considered. If you have $200,000 in mortgage loans, a car loan of $20,000 and a $2,000 credit card bill, that's a total of $222,000 in debt that must be subtracted from the value of your total assets, which would leave an actual net worth of $348,000. As you can see, this calculation has nothing to do with your annual income. Increasing your net worth might seem challenging, but it does not have to be. By putting the right systems in place, you can improve your net worth much faster and meet your financial goals. Hi, my name is Mohit, and I teach people about money, personal finance, and investing. If you are interested in improving your financial future, subscribe and hit the like button if this video is helpful. In this video we will look at the ways that will help you increase your net worth. Number 1. Increase your income. Having multiple streams of income is the most fundamental step to building wealth. Let's take a look at how to increase your income and generate the extra money you need for financial growth. Start a business. The wealthiest people in the world are businessmen. Entrepreneurship fulfills two aspects of building wealth: high income and high returns on accumulated wealth. Therefore, get started now if you have a business idea that can increase your revenue. It doesn't have to be a huge business. You can start a small business and offer the services you're good at. For instance, you can create an entirely online-based business like dropshipping or Amazon FBA, or you can even make and sell your digital products for a good profit. Run a side hustle. You can increase your income while building a business of your own by starting a side hustle. You can monetize what you are good at or something you are interested in. There are many side hustles you can run online which provide lucrative returns. These may include freelance writing and editing, copywriting, online tutor or consultant, working as a virtual assistant, web design and coding, etc. Being an entrepreneur is not for everyone. People who are likely to continue with their jobs can also improve their income by asking for a raise or by searching for a higher paying job. Many people find themselves working jobs that don't pay well. This happens because they don't ask for a raise at the right time. If you think your compensation does not truly reflect your contributions to the company, it's time to ask for a raise. Research the average salary for your job title and try to negotiate with your employer accordingly. The end of a contract term is generally the best time to negotiate for a raise. Sometimes asking for a raise is not enough. If you are stuck in a job that does not pay well as you would like, it's better to improve your skills and look for a better paying job to help you achieve your financial goals faster. Before we get into the next section, I need to remind you that I am speaking from my own experience, and I am not a qualified financial professional. Please seek the advice of a professional before making any financial decisions. Number 2. Pay off debts. Net worth is equity minus debt, so lowering your debt increases your net worth considerably. Identifying and paying off high-interest debt first before moving on to the lesser debt is crucial for your financial health. With high-interest debts like your credit cards, paying the minimum amount will ensure you stay in debt for years and spend thousands of dollars in interest. Consider paying off your student loans or your house mortgage only after clearing your credit card or other high-interest loans. Until then, consider paying the minimum for these low-interest debts. Also, keep in mind to talk to your mortgage lender before repaying your mortgage faster than scheduled, as this may sometimes incur some steep penalties. Number 3. Reduce expense. Reducing expenses is a crucial step in amassing wealth. When you have enough to pay off your debts and all other everyday expenses, you should start saving. Saving small amounts regularly can grow your wealth substantially. Make a budget. Making a budget is very important to take control of your finances. It is an essential tool in wealth creation. Budgeting provides you with data on your monthly expenses and makes you aware of your overspending. This way, you can cut out your useless expenses and increase your savings. Creating a new budget every month is advisable to maintain its feasibility. Build an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund in place can safeguard your investments from any unexpected events, like losing a job. It is recommended to keep at least 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account as an emergency fund. This way, you will not be forced to withdraw your retirement investment or take on a loan when an emergency arises. Leave below your means. Living below your means does not mean you should not spend money on things you love and enjoy. It means cutting out unnecessary expenses like buying designer clothes, regularly eating in fancy restaurants, or going on vacations frequently. While it can be boring to live below your means, in the long run, you will be able to amass a fortune which will be pretty rewarding. Number 4. Invest. One of the best ways to attain a high net worth is by making your money work for you. Investing your money in a well-diversified portfolio of stocks and real estate, and contributing to your retirement fund can build you massive wealth over time. Although many assume that investing is only for the rich and the wealthy, you can invest a small amount of money every month to get started. Invest in stocks and ETFs. Buying shares in well-established companies is one of the best and most straightforward ways to build wealth. You can also invest in ETFs, which stand for exchange-traded funds, as they are less risky than a single stock. Other than diversifying your investment, ETFs help investors evade taxes and fees. There are many types of ETFs. Some track a particular index, while others focus on a specific sector, commodity, or other assets. Even though stocks are much riskier than other assets, they provide the best return on investment. A well-informed diversification strategy can minimize the risks and maximize the returns. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate with a proper plan can be an intelligent financial decision. The value of real estate tends to appreciate over the long run, offers numerous tax advantages, and has the potential to provide stable monthly income. You can also invest in real estate through real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs. REITs are real estate company stocks involved in buying and selling properties. REITs are known to give out high dividends, which can be reinvested for more returns. Max out retirement funds. Contributing to retirement funds is a great way to grow your net worth. 401k contribution limit for 2022 is $20,500 and $27,000 for those aged 50 years or above. Maxing out retirement funds can have several benefits in terms of tax savings. Also, many such funds come with employer matching, meaning your employer will match the amount you invest in your retirement fund. In this case, you should at least increase up to the limit of your employer's match. Overlooking retirement accounts is a costly mistake many people often make when building wealth. By maxing out your retirement funds, you will not only save for your retirement but also grow your wealth over time. Increasing your net worth can seem challenging, but it does not have to be. With some patience and a lot of discipline, you can grow your net worth fast. Before starting on this journey, it's crucial to equip yourself with the knowledge required so that you may find that saving money becomes more manageable than you expected.